there. I'm Jim Griffin. I was 76 when we did Tonka 1. We done Tonka 2 when I was 78. And I'll be 80 my birthday, October 1. And we're doing Tonka 3. Want you to be sure and watch this one. Pass it on to your friend. And be sure to subscribe to our channel. We want to make sure that all our friends get the chance to look at them. And make sure you subscribers get on there where we get notifications whenever there's a new one coming up. Any question you got, I'll be glad to answer them. And we're going to have a real good video here. And we want to thank you for all your views and all your time you take to watch our videos. Thank you very much. I've had several questions about why I didn't donate them to kids. Well, I do donate some to kids whenever there's a needy kid. Now, 2 Mexican gentlemen stopped out there, wanted to buy 4 to take to an orphanage in Tijuana. Now, they were very legitimate people. I could tell they were honest and sincere because they wanted to pay for them. But when I realized they were going to give them to 8 and 9, 10-year-old kids in an orphanage, I went and found 4 of the best ones I had, and I give them to them. And I told them, if you're going to pay for the gas and expense and go to the trouble of taking them down there, I will donate these 4 trucks to those 4 boys you wanted to give them to. And they've also asked why I didn't take them out of the elements or put them somewhere where they wouldn't be out in the rain or stuff. And 920 is what I got now. And 920 Tonkas won't fit in my living room. So I've got to just store them in the yard because it's the only place I got for them. A Tonka truck lasts forever. You can't destroy them. But I rescued them from being destroyed by other people. They were in garages, behind garages, and yard sales, stuff. They were going into dumpsters and stuff. I rescued them, brought them here, and give them a good home, and give them life forever. And they've been there for years now, and they're going to be there as long as I live. I know it's been a while since you've been here, so I want to show you around, show you what's happened since you've been here, and we're going to bring you down. Come on down and show you. Remember the 2 Mustangs I had in Tonka 2? 65 Mustang. Well, these people wanted those things worse than you could believe. I got hundreds of calls on them, and one guy bought one and took it to France. The other guy bought one and he's restoring it. Well, you can see one was parked here, one was parked over to the other side here, and now you can see they're both gone. One of them went to Paris, France. The other one went to Ontario, and they restored them. And the guy was going to do a good job putting his Mustang back out on the road. I still got my old 1960 F350 Ford dump bed truck. Classic antique. 1960. It's 55 years old. It's been here, I've had it for 15 years, I guess. And it's a great old truck. It's a classic antique. And I keep it. It runs good. It runs like a new watch. And I love the old truck, but I'll sell it if somebody comes up with the money to buy it. But nobody got the money yet. But it's a classic antique, 1960, 57 years old. And it's been here a long time. It'll be here for a little longer. And I love the old truck, and we're gonna keep it as long as we can. Got these old lottery tickets. There must be 1 million old lottery tickets in this trailer. I've still got tickets. Anybody wants to buy any old lottery tickets, let me know. I've got them for sale. My firewood over here for my fireplace. Well, I've got 5 or 6 cords of wood here that last all winter long. And I give it to my friends when they need wood for their Christmas, New Year's fires. I give them enough wood where they can have fires in their fireplace, where they can enjoy a real nice fire for the holidays. I've got 3 garages here. This is one of them. I've got Tonkas on the shelves, and these are Tonkas with the labels on the doors. They haven't been wet, they haven't been out in the elements, and the signs have not peeled off. That's why I have them in storage here where they won't get wet and won't peel off the label. I want to keep the labels as long as I can. The original labels. Wanted you to see what I've got here. They're really nice Tonkas, the tractors, the graders. They're all kinds of Tonkas. Best thing ever made, best toy ever made was the Tonka truck. 3 nice Tonkas with the labels on them here, and I've got more down here, so we'll be showing you them. Fire truck number 36, big tandem axle with a extension ladder and everything. This is one of the biggest, fanciest fire trucks they've ever made. It's very collectible item, and it's a real nice fire truck. And come on over and we'll got some more stuff over. This is a semi tractor with a drop deck trailer. You haul heavy equipment, other trucks, haul anything you want to haul. It's a drop deck where you keep the height down underneath the legal limit. Here you got a forklift, got a grader, a little tractor. This is the second property I have, and I'm going to go next door now to where the Tonka graveyard, the majority of the Tonkas are, and we're going to show you them. Okay, we're leaving the second property, we're going over to the main property. All good farmers put license plates on their barn wall, so I got a bunch of them on my barn wall. See, these little apples are the Chinese apple trees. Boy, they're good. They're a little dry, but they're good to eat. They're snacks. I eat them all the time. There's hundreds of them on these trees. Alright, we got a pear tree here that makes a very nice pear. The best pears I've ever tasted. Juicy. Then you got a pecan tree here. It makes a bucket full of pecans every year. You got avocado trees here, 2 of them. 50 avocados every year. And we got Tonka truck graveyard. Thank you for watching 1 and 2, and I hope you enjoy number 3. Be sure you hit the subscribe button at the bottom, and then that way you get to see more. Okay? Thank you.